Hey tent nerds, it's Monday. You know what that means. It's time for Monday Tent Talk. This hole here on the front closest to the top is called the alignment hole. And then this one is the actual pinhole. So what's used here is when you go to align this, put this pin in here, you just run this up against it and it should align that so that this hole, so it drops right in, and then you can take this pin out. So that's why there's two holes in every fitting. One is the alignment hole, one is the actual pinhole. A lot of guys won't use this hole here. They'll just, aim for it and they'll hit it. Okay? I would suggest you use the alignment holes until you get a handle on how these things fit together.